Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get ready to griddle! Hey! Today, hopefully, we're going to make some Cajun fried rice. Hopefully it works. Keep in mind, I have no idea what I'm doing. So, it'll be interesting. We'll start off with oil though. I think I got that part down. And before it escapes, I know. I'll straighten out the griddle one of these days. So, we got it. Greasy, oily griddle. I chopped up some chicken and some sausage. And I think that'll be a good start. Hopefully. We'll find out, won't we? I've got this to medium low. Turn it down just a little. Little by little. This is a smoked sausage. And the chicken is frozen chicken finger breasts that I repatriated from the freezer and thawed and cut. And that's cooking up nicely. So, in here we have the Trinity. There's onion, celery, and pepper. And there's a Baja barking. Hopefully it's not a coyote. Hello, lovely assistant. You see a skunk or a coyote? Oh man, I love the smell of the peppers and onions. Huh? Where? On the road or by the... Coyotes are a common occurrence. Which coyotes are fine in the wild, but not around the house and around domestic animals. Anyway, sorry for the distraction. Where were we? Cooking up some Trinity and some meat. Man, it smells so good. I want to bottle that. I want to sell Yankee candles to smell that good. That's why the carnival's so good. Smells so good. The sausage with the peppers and onions. We've got to have garlic. I consider that the unspoken member of the Trinity. Maybe it's not a Trinity. Maybe that's a portion. But that doesn't sound as cool, so we have to stick with Trinity. So, garlic, meat, veggies. The basis for all good foods, especially the Trinity with the garlic. Coyotes like to sneak down the hill past us. We have about 30 peacocks that live in the community, and they do a good job of keeping the coyotes away from down the hill, but not so much up this way. So, if we're going Cajun, we need Cajun seasoning. Ooh, what a smoke. Ooh-wee. And we'll add a little bit of smoked paprika, because I like smoked paprika. Ugh. Just a little. And all this is just about cooked. What do you think, Baja? What is it time for now? Uh-oh. Can't forget my salt, pepper, garlic, and other seasonings. Give that a quick stir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. Okay. Yum. Okay, I think we need to throw the tennis ball for the button. And we happen to have some butter. If you're cooking Cajun next to the Trinity, you need butter. Absolutely gotta have butter. We'll toss a little bit of it over here. Why are we throwing all that butter on here, you ask? Well, it's for the shrimp. This was frozen shrimp that I thawed, and cost just a couple, just to give us some good Cajun flavor. Yeah, boy. Throw the rest of the butter on here. Let it melt all over everything. See the shrimp starting to get a little pink. Let's add some Cajun seasoning. We'll give it a little bit of paprika too. And of course you see how quickly shrimp cooks up. This one needs a little bit more, but overall, I say them shrimps are ready to mix in with the rest. Now there's one final ingredient that fried rice needs, and rice. Thanks for reminding me. I made rice in the Amero cooker, refrigerated it. It's cold. because it's refrigerated. Oh. Try to copy you fancy griddle cooks and do the two-hand chopping technique. Chew down to sop up some of that butter. What was I doing? Get back! Don't you hate it when your food tries to get away? You know what else I hate? I went and bought like a 50 pack of the little disposable aluminum liners for the grease trap. And I forgot to put it in. That was dumb. Dum da dum dum. Oh well. This is starting to look like a meal, but it needs a little bit more flavor, in my humble opinion. So, let's add, since it's fried rice, we got a little bit of soy sauce. You don't want to overdo it, just splash. The same with the hoisin. I need to buy some oyster sauce, but I didn't. And if it's Cajun, you need a little bit of spice, so just a little. That's 95, 100 degrees. So I'm sure the heat of the griddle's not helping. So if I look hot and sweaty, it's just because you're so attractive. Uh-oh. I think we can rescue that one. Save it for bottom, maybe. Okay. This is the Baja thingy. Maybe. So this one's for Baja. That's payment for service rendered. What's that? A little more Cajun? Okay. That should be plenty though, don't you think? Although, one thing I've really become a fan of is Green Onion, which is a great song. But we're gonna, or if I made more money, it'd be scallion. But I'm poor, so all we can afford is green onions. Too hot, onion. Anyway, love green onions. Scallion. And this is fresh, not frozen green onion. That's a look as much for decoration in this case as it is for flavor. Although I think it's going to be an incredible flavor. I think maybe. Should we taste it? Bon appetit. Let's try a little. That's it, y'all. We have achieved liftoff. Let's turn these off. And check it out. That is Cajun fried rice. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. And that's a wrap.